This is the rear strap, okay? And this is the one bolt that we took off on the other side. It comes in to the frame rail here. It hooks in here, see? So basically, you just bring that out like that. All right. Push that out to the side. So this whole back end is pretty much loose. You are gonna want to disconnect your so for the harness or the clip for the fuel pump, it's really easy. You basically just stick a pick right in there, and as you push up, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but if you push up like that, the harness comes up. Clips, see these little clips? And what you got to do is you actually have to jam the line in and then press the clip in. So there's your gas tank. You're gonna have issues with these. That's up like that. You gotta fight it, turn these down. This one gets caught up there too. And there it is.